What is up, Pokenuts? Pokepla here with something a little different. So I got these model kits out of boredom. Seem fun. Here's Pikachu and Mewtwo. I got these from Barnes& Noble for about $8 each. They look kind of fun to just kind of build something different. So I decided to pick them up and review them. They're very basic. Pikachu here, he's fat and chubby, really cute. They really nailed the design here. There's some holes, obviously, like some holes in the plastic, and it's not perfect, but still, from far away, you don't even really notice. But all in all, it's very cute, very fun. I really like the design of it. His tail popped off. Let me put that tail back on so we can continue with the review. And there we go. Let's talk about the articulation. The tail can go up to there and all the way to, there. It can spin all the way around too. So if you want to put him like a stand or something and have his tail like facing down, you can do that too. And it pushes right into his butt. The arm is a little weird. You think you'd be able to turn it all the way around, but it doesn't. You pop it out here and you can see that it's blocked by those little edges there. Very weird. It can go all the way up to there and down to there. And the same on the other side. The head can rotate, and it's really interesting. Oops. Yeah, that can happen. It happens for a good reason, though. The head has an animatronic system in it that allows the ears to move like that. And it can rotate about that far, too. It's stopped by a mechanism inside the head. This kit is very simple. 2 runners and some stickers. And these are perfect for children that are about 5 to 10 years old and want to learn about model kits. They see you building Gundam and they want to join too. They're perfect. Now let's talk about those stickers. This kit does not have a lot. And one very bad one. You have 2 for the little whites of the eyes here. Very easy. The nose, which is extremely ugly. And we'll fix that later. Very bad sticker. I really hate it. It moves around. It looks ugly. Yeah, the last sticker is actually pretty great. The mouth sticker here, the little pink area here, because it's a sticker, it has a nice little 3D effect to the model, which I think looks really nice. Now let's take that sticker off and show you what to do about that. Take your Gundam marker and you just and you're done. And that's it. Look at him now. He's perfect. Very good. The manual is very obviously baby's first plastic model kind of manual. Once again, this model is great for children. Like if you have children that want to get into like model building and Gundam and you're not quite sure if you're willing to drop the 20, 30, even like so and so forth for the master grade kits, this is great. These plastic models require no tools, so if you are worried about your kid cutting himself with some nippers or a hobby knife, you don't need any of that to build these. You just pull them right off the runner. Kind of like a super deformed Gundam. I really like the little Pikachu symbol here on the runner. Very cute. Lots of thought was put into this. That's it for Pikachu. Let's take a look at Mewtwo. This one is a little bit more complicated. There's a lot more going on here with the articulation and the posability, and I really like this one. He does not stand up on his own, hence why he comes with his own little action base. Let's take a quick look at the articulation. His wrist is on a ball joint. His head can spin to there. His right arm moves his tail, the animatronics there. Very cool. I like that. His elbow can bend back to there and down to there. His leg can go back that far. His ankle is like so. His tail can spin all the way around right here. It can do more, but I'll show you that later. Let's take it back to the wrist joint. This thing is actually really crazy. It can do all kinds of stuff. Just in general, the hand and arm articulation of this thing it's pretty impressive for such a simple kit. It can spin all the way around like so. Another neat thing is when you turn his head, his spine kind of has this like animatronic feeling thing to it too. All in all, the articulation is very nice. Now, let's talk about the stickers. Just like Pikachu, we have a very basic set of stickers here. We have 2 for the eyes, which I need to fix. That's looking pretty rough right there. But they look nice. And a really unfortunate looking one under his butt here, which is understandable, but honestly, that could have been a separate piece, man. I mean, come on, Bandai. That's just rough looking. And here we have the action base. It has a little Pokeball motif to it. I kind of like it. I kind of want to prime it and paint it up like an actual Pokeball. Or maybe a Master Ball, that'd be cool. Whatever, the future's unwritten. I might not even do it at all. But he fits right on top of there. Very easily. He doesn't move around once you touch him. He doesn't slide off or do anything annoying. And it works really well. And it gives him that nice, Psychic Pokemon floating in the air feel. I really like the action base here. It's very cool. Once again with the manual, we have this baby's first plastic model kind of deal. It's very simple. It's very easy to understand, very easy to follow. Sorry my camera work here wasn't so great. And that's all I have to say, guys. That's Pokemon Plastic Models, Pikachu and Mewtwo from Bandai. Very cool. Had a lot of fun making this. But that is all. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, the best is yet to come. Gunpla bro. Out.